In this video, we're going to learn how to frost cupcakes using a pastry bag. So you will need cupcakes, a plastic pastry bag, a spoon, scissors, a decorating tip, can be any kind you like, and frosting, can be homemade or store-bought, and a little bit of white frosting because we're going to write out the words 4-H. So first you'll take the pastry bag and cut a little bit of the tip off. Then you'll put your decorating tip inside and see if it comes out the other side, which it does in this case, so we need to cut a little bit more off. Push it through and make sure it's snug so no frosting comes out the sides. Next, you'll take the bag and fold over the top so you can get the frosting in without it going over the top of the bag, and open it up. Then you'll take a spoonful of frosting and place it as far down in the bag as you can because we want it to come out the end, obviously. And then you'll unfold the bag, and you can shake it a little bit to get the frosting down. You can also try to squeeze it with your hands to move it down. Then you can pinch the bag together and twist it, and this twisting will force the frosting down towards the tip. And then you're ready to start frosting. So I like to have the cupcakes in a pan or a holder so that they're steady while I'm frosting them, or you could try holding them in your hand, whatever is easiest for you. But basically we're going to go around the whole cupcake starting at the outside and then stop in the middle. And then pull up when you're done to make a little point at the top. So as you go around, try to make sure that your next row of frosting touches the first one. But it's okay to have little gaps. And continue with the rest of your cupcakes. And in celebration of 4-H Fair Week, we're going to write 4-H on the cupcakes. Writing on cupcakes can be a little difficult. It helps to have a steady hand. So to do this, I've selected a really small tip and some white decorator frosting, and I use the same technique that I used to put the green frosting in. So I'm going to try to make a 4 first. And then my dash. H. Can you zoom in on that? Thank you. So when you're doing the lettering, writing 4-H or anything else, just try to go slow and keep your hand steady, and don't worry if you make a mistake because it takes a lot of practice to write with frosting. Another dash. And the kind of peak that you made with the frosting might get in the way, but that's okay. So there we go. Now you know how to frost cupcakes using a pastry bag and how to make letters on the cupcakes.